Hello, this is Sascha Hommel, live from ISE at the HOMMBRU fair, at the HOMMBRU booth. And we developed a technology to create sound out of solid surface. For example, this is a white wall projection screen, and we create 100 decibel volume out of it. You can also put it behind walls. For a sound example, we have So we don't have any extra subwoofer, we just use the surface and 8 centimeters of depth in our products. For example, the door, or a drawer, or even outdoor speakers with battery. It's the same thing. Benton, for example, can reach 100 decibels. So it's a good thing to have on your terrace and entertain some people, I think, to have fun with it.